This is Mentari Australia. Breaking news.
This is Mentari News Australia. We're following breaking financial news tonight. NVIDIA just reported record quarterly revenue of $57 billion, driven by explosive demand for its artificial intelligence chips. The chip giant's earnings surpassed Wall Street expectations as tech companies raced to build AI infrastructure. The results, announced moments ago, signal that the AI boom shows no signs of slowing down. NVIDIA's data center business alone generated $51 billion in the quarter. Here's what the numbers show. NVIDIA's third quarter revenue hit $57 billion, up 22% from the previous quarter and up 62% from last year. That's the company's strongest growth in data center sales to date. CEO Jensen Huang said in the announcement, Blackwell sales are off the charts and cloud GPUs are sold out. The company's earnings per share came in at $1.30, meeting analyst projections. NVIDIA reported net income of nearly $32 billion for the quarter. Officials forecast fourth quarter revenue will reach $65 billion. The company returned $37 billion to shareholders through buybacks and dividends over the first 9 months of fiscal 2026. To put this in perspective, NVIDIA has become the backbone of the artificial intelligence revolution. The company's graphics processing units power everything from OpenAI's ChatGPT to enterprise AI systems across industries. Tech giants including Microsoft, Google, and Meta are spending billions building AI infrastructure, and NVIDIA chips remain the industry standard. The company announced major partnerships this quarter. OpenAI will deploy at least 10 gigawatts of NVIDIA systems for next-generation AI infrastructure. Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI, will adopt 1 gigawatt of compute capacity using NVIDIA's Grace Blackwell systems. This follows months of supply constraints as demand outpaced production. NVIDIA celebrated a significant milestone: the first Blackwell chip wafer produced on U.S. soil at TSMC's Arizona facility, representing what the company calls revitalization of U.S. manufacturing. Industry analysts note that NVIDIA's dominance extends beyond just selling chips. The company now provides complete AI infrastructure solutions, from networking equipment to software platforms. The results demonstrate how artificial intelligence is reshaping technology spending patterns. Cloud providers and enterprises are allocating unprecedented capital toward AI infrastructure. NVIDIA reported that compute demand is accelerating and compounding across training and inference, each growing exponentially. The gaming division posted $4.3 billion in revenue, up 30% year over year. The automotive and robotics segment grew 32%, reflecting expanding applications for AI beyond data centers. Market analysts responded positively to the forecast. The projected $65 billion revenue for next quarter would represent continued double-digit sequential growth. However, questions remain about sustainability. Some economists caution that this level of AI infrastructure spending may not continue indefinitely as companies evaluate returns on investment. NVIDIA executives will hold a conference call with analysts later today to discuss the results and outlook in detail. The company faces ongoing scrutiny over export restrictions affecting chip sales to China. Regulators in multiple countries continue examining AI chip supply chains and market concentration. Production of the new Blackwell architecture is ramping up, with deliveries expected to accelerate through next year. Industry watchers will be monitoring whether supply can finally meet surging demand. We'll continue tracking this story and bring you analysis of what these numbers mean for the broader tech sector and AI development. I'm Mike Kalabata with Mentari News Australia.
You've been listening to Flashwire, powered by redmancari.com, where facts still matter and stories still mean something. If you believe in independent journalism with impact, hit subscribe and share this episode. Your support keeps truth alive.
Breaking. Verified. Australian. When the story breaks, we don't wait. We verify, explain, and bring you the facts straight from the source.
Now, Optus has clearly failed here. Optus have failed to put safety first.
Company Optus and its parent company Singtel offer commercial.
Discussions based as friends and trusting. And part of our discussions, informally as well as
the whole
formally,
world came
has
together,
been
to be honest. So many countries that you wouldn't have even thought of it, they came together. The world has come together.
Now, we do need to draw a line in the sand when it comes to the protests that we continue to see in this country.
The Flashwire is your rapid response breaking news podcast, a stripped down, adrenaline-paced bulletin that drops minutes after major stories break. It's designed for listeners who want accuracy and speed, not noise. Think of it as the audio equivalent of a newsroom's red alert light turning on. Each episode runs under 5 minutes, short enough to drop between scrolls, but packed with verified updates, eyewitness info, expert sound bites, and a forward look at what happens next. No spin, no filler, just what you need to know and what comes next.